Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A glass wall luxury container house represents the pinnacle of modern architectural fusion, where the rugged, industrial strength of a steel shipping container meets the delicate, high-end aesthetic of floor-to-ceiling glass. At its core, this concept is about breaking the traditional boundaries of a metal box to create a living space that feels expansive, light-filled, and deeply connected to its surroundings. These homes aren't just recycled structures. They are carefully engineered residences designed to prioritize views and natural light, transforming a functional cargo unit into a sophisticated masterpiece of minimalist living. Choosing a glass wall luxury container house offers a unique blend of sustainability, speed, and unmatched aesthetic appeal. One of the primary benefits is the psychological impact of biophilic design, where the large glass panels allow for constant visual access to nature, reducing stress and increasing natural vitamin D intake through abundant sunlight. From a construction standpoint, these homes are incredibly durable due to the steel framing of the container, yet they offer a much faster build time than traditional luxury villas. Additionally, the transparency of the glass walls eliminates the cramped feeling often associated with small space living, making even a single unit container feel like a sprawling, airy mansion while maintaining a smaller environmental footprint. Decorating the exterior of a glass wall container house requires a balance between the industrial metal and the surrounding landscape to ensure the home looks high-end rather than temporary. Start by incorporating natural materials like cedar wood decking or stone pathways to soften the hard edges of the steel. Lighting plays a crucial role. Use warm LED strip lights along the roof lines and recessed ground lights to illuminate the glass walls at night, creating a glowing lantern effect. Adding vertical gardens or large architectural plants like agave or tall grasses near the corners can provide privacy without blocking the light. Finally, choosing a sophisticated paint palette, such as matte charcoal, navy, or even a vibrant ochre, can make the container pop against the greenery of your lot. The best styles for these homes often lean toward modern minimalism or industrial chic, but they can be surprisingly versatile. The floating cantilever style is highly popular, where one container is stacked perpendicularly over another to create shaded outdoor patios and dramatic overhangs. Another trending style is the glass link, where two containers are joined by a central glass enclosed breezeway that serves as a sunroom or entryway. For those seeking a more organic feel, the rustic modern style blends weathered steel or dark paint with large timber beams and oversized sliding glass doors, making the home look like a permanent fixture of a forest or mountain setting. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best glass wall luxury container house ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the elevated sunset cantilever. This design features a vibrant yellow container stacked atop a neutral gray base, creating a dramatic overhang that serves as a covered patio. The upper level is fitted with massive panoramic windows that capture the golden hour light, while the lower level features an open concept entryway with integrated stairs, proving that industrial materials can look incredibly inviting. 2. The minimalist forest pavilion. A stunning example of single-level living, this elongated black container uses floor-to-ceiling glass to completely remove the barrier between the indoors and the woods. The interior features warm wood paneling and a cozy fireplace, while the exterior is kept simple to let the surrounding tall pines take center stage. 3. The two-story stone and steel villa. This luxury build combines the industrial frame of a container with high-end stone masonry on the ground floor. The second level features a wraparound glass balcony that overlooks a massive wooden deck, complete with beanbag lounge areas and a built-in pool, making it the ultimate destination for outdoor entertaining. 4. The geometric woodland retreat. Featuring asymmetrical roof lines and a glass-enclosed bridge, this home is tucked away in a lush forest. The design uses large triangular glass gables to maximize the view of the treetops, creating a treehouse-like atmosphere that feels both private and completely open to the elements. 5. The Midnight Deck Masterpiece. This sleek, matte black container house sits on an expansive polished wood deck. The sliding glass doors run nearly the entire length of the structure, reflecting the beautiful sunset. Blue Adirondack chairs and a patio umbrella create a functional outdoor living room that perfectly complements the home's modern interior. 6. The sun-drenched cantilevered loft. Taking verticality to the next level, this design features a top container that extends far past the base, supported by a hidden structural frame. The underside of the overhang is fitted with warm yellow recessed lighting, illuminating a spacious outdoor dining area, while the upper glass walls provide a 270-degree view of the property. 7. The Contemporary Breezeway Studio. This modular design uses dark vertical siding to give the container a sophisticated shed roof look. The large sliding glass panels open directly onto a narrow wooden boardwalk, and the interior's white walls and modern furniture create a bright, gallery-like feel that is perfect for a home office or artist studio. 8. The Luxury Container Compound. This multi-unit design features several containers stacked and arranged around a central courtyard and swimming pool. The use of black steel frames and expansive glass allows the residents to see across the entire compound, while the integrated landscaping and sun loungers provide a 5-star resort experience in a compact footprint. 9. The Aquamarine Modernist. A bright and airy take on the trend, this seafoam green container features a large wooden platform and sliding glass doors. The compact design is perfect for a guest house or a backyard ADU, using interior whiteout styling to make the small footprint feel incredibly spacious and clean. 10. The Coastal Horizon Multi-Level. This expansive gray container home is built for views, featuring multiple levels of glass-walled rooms and rooftop terraces. The design includes a large elevated deck with comfortable outdoor sofas and glass railings, ensuring that the view of the coastline or desert horizon is never obstructed. As we have seen today, the glass wall luxury container house is more than just a housing trend. It is a lifestyle choice for those who value modern aesthetics, sustainability, and a deep connection to the outdoors. Whether you are looking for a small backyard retreat or a sprawling multi-story villa, the versatility of container architecture combined with the elegance of glass provides endless possibilities for creativity and comfort. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible designs, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. Which of these top 10 ideas was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you're ready to start your own container home journey, check out the links in our description for more resources and design guides. See you in the next video.